Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore, the sales and support point for BricsCAD in India. In this BricsCAD video, I'm going to tell you about a snap operation which is relatively uncommon and not known to many of the BricsCAD users. It is called Snap to Geometric Center of Closed Figures. Now, if you go to ESNAP and right click here, you can open the ESNAP settings, and here you will see all the available ESNAP modes. Now, most of you are already familiar with the standard ones like endpoint, midpoint, center, and so on. But what is not known to many is this option here called Geometric Center. So I have checked this on, and you can see how the Geometric Center snap works. Suppose I'm going to draw a line. So as I draw the line, and if I come near the edge of any closed figure, you can see that automatically the Geometric Center is highlighted with a red snap marker. So if I click here, it jumps straight to the geometric center of this closed polyline. Similarly, I'm going to jump here to the geometric center of this closed spline and the geometric center of this rectangle. And if you come to the circle, you cannot snap to the geometric center because here the override is the center of the circle, so you can right click and use the center snap option here. So using this method, you can easily snap to the geometric centers of various closed polygons, and this is a feature which many of the BricsCAD users have been unaware, and that is why I have made this video to show you, so you may use it and this will help you to achieve faster speed in drafting. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.